What's going on, guys? Matt here with Car Tech, and today we're taking a look at the Yi 4K action camera waterproof case kit I picked up on Amazon Prime Day. It was a lightning deal that was only up for about an hour. It went out of stock pretty fast, and I was able to pick one up, and I was going to do a little mini unboxing as well as a review, which will come in the next video about this camera. So let's go ahead and start out with this unboxing. So it's a pretty simple white box. Let's go ahead and just grab a knife and just open up the sides. Both of it. Let's peel the plastic back. There we go. Put this away. Alright. So it looks like on the outside of the box, let's just take the plastic off. You have the camera. I believe I got the black version. If I got the white one, it's fine too. But you can see it says 4K video, Retina LCD, 2 hours of battery life, 2.4 and a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Has an Umbrella A9 SE CPU, Bluetooth 4.0, and waterproof up to 132 feet, which is really cool with this casing that comes with. In this kit. You can get it without the kit, but it was about the same price on Amazon Prime Day, so I picked it up with the kit, which makes everything nice. So you can just see, real nice, simple. There we go. Pop this off. Real nice, soft interior, as you guys can see. And then let's go ahead and see what else is in here. So first off, you just get a thank you for choosing Yi. So we're going to be making sure to send them this video, and hopefully they like what they saw. You can see some of their other things. They have a dome camera, they have their action camera, and then they have a dash camera, which I'm thinking about picking up right now because it's actually really affordable. And here's some of like the SD cards they recommend to shoot at 4K. You get a little warranty, and then here's a... what is this? Oh, this is how to use the waterproof housing, it looks like. And then this is just a little manual as well, just to show you how to use it, what goes where, which is really nice. Next up, we have the waterproof housing. It's pretty similar to most like GoPro, either GoPro knockoff ones as well as a lot like the actual older GoPro ones that were the exact same. I'm not sure if the newer ones are the same way, but normally these pop off, like you push them in and you push up. Oh yeah, so I got it. So let's see, put this back up. So to open it, you push forward and you lift the side towards the lens up, and that pops out. You guys can see there's a nice rubber seal on there, as well as one for the lens, which is really nice, and it's a first party one, which is great to always have when you are buying any cameras like these, just because they tend to always work a little bit better. Alright, and then next up you get some mounts. Let's go ahead and pop this out. Dang, this one's not coming out. Let's pop it out from the back then. Well, this is a... there we go. Okay, so this is just like the screw mount that goes through the side into whatever device you're screwing it onto. And then this... oh, is a actual... oh, this is really nice. It actually came included. This is to a, I believe, quarter-inch... a quarter-inch adapter to screw onto a tripod, which is pretty cool. I was looking if I needed to order one separate. I wasn't sure. I didn't find it in the details, but this is really nice that they actually include this. So let's set that off to the side. Next up, you get the battery, which is their proprietary battery, I believe. Let's see, the volt. So it's a 1200 milliamp hour battery. Looks real simple, easy to install. And then there's a charge cable. Looks like a white micro USB. Would like them to move over to USB-C. Hopefully with their newer ones they do that, because that would be nice. Next up, we have the actual camera. Let's throw this plastic off to the side, and let's take a look at it just to get a first impression before I do my full review once I spend some time with it. So it looks really simple. It feels good too. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And for this price point, it being down, I believe $149 when I purchased this kit, and getting it just separate without the casing is still about $149. This is really nice build quality. It's a tough plastic, it feels like, and the whole build quality feels great. So let's go ahead and pop in that battery. So I believe this, just press and slide. Maybe it just, oh, there we go. Oh, that's really nice. So then you just pop in the battery like this, and there you go. So let's just boot it up real quick and see if there's any intro for it. Ooh, there's a little cool intro sequence it comes with. Select camera, settings. Looks like it's a full touchscreen, guys. And then it just shows you just walks you through it, just setting everything up, and enjoy your Yi 4K action camera. This is actually really nice. Looks really great, and the touchscreen was really responsive just setting it up like that. So if you guys just look, you can see there's no SD card. You just look through the lens. I believe you have different field of views you can change, how it looks, different modes, which is pretty cool. But I will be getting into all that when I do my full review of this camera. Let's go ahead and peel this kit, the little plastic off that, and the plastic off the back right here. And there we go. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video if you haven't already, as well as make sure you subscribe and comment down below what you guys like to see me test out with this camera. I'm going to be testing out with my upcoming car reviews using it. So that will be coming out really soon, as soon as I can get those started. But they're already in the works right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.